Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a table using HTML and CSS. Okay, the editor which I'm going to use in this tutorial is Notepad++. Okay, in here I have declared my HTML tags, okay, and my head tag. Okay, inside the head tag I'm just trying to use the CSS, the cascading style sheet of name t_style_CSS, of which I have opened a new tab and created the CSS for the same. Okay, so what we have to do is we have in the body section. Okay, I'll declare the body section and close the same here. Okay, and then for table the keyword is table, open tag and close tag table. Okay, and for first thing what we have to do inside the table is that we have to create a row. Okay, in the row I'm opening the row with tr tag and closing the same with tr. Okay, I'm opening the tag here, closing the tag. Okay, inside this first row I need to enter the column names. Okay, for that the column header I represent it as a th tag. Okay, so I'll give it as name as the first column name. Okay, and the second column name let it be a place. Okay, and the third column name let it be game. Okay, so here what I have done is I've created a row. Okay, my first row, and inside that first row I'm going to give 3 column names. Okay, th stands for the column header. Okay, which is name is the first column header, place is the second column header, and game is the third column header. Okay, this is my first row, and then I need data to be placed inside my table. Okay, for that I'll create another row. Okay, my second row. Inside this I'll create data for these column headings, for these column names. Corresponding to that I need to present the data. Okay, so the data to be entered is done using the tag td. Okay, and I'll give the name as Sachin as the first name, close td. Okay, open td, and the place as India, close td, and the third data would be a game of cricket. Okay, and close td. Okay, so basically what I'm doing here is I'm going to create column names, name, place and game. Okay, and corresponding to that I'm going to fill data. For name I'm going to fill in Sachin, and for place I'm going to fill in India, game I'm going to fill in cricket. The only difference between these two rows is that the tag names for the column heading should be th. Okay, and for data it has to be td. Okay, now I'll just try to save this. Okay, and then try to run this in Chrome. As you can see here, there's nothing happening, just aligned properly, but I don't have a border for the table. Okay, so let me go ahead and create the border using CSS. Okay, in CSS I'm going to write in table, th and td. For all these 3 attributes I'm going to define my border. Okay, as 2 pixels, solid green. Okay, save this, come back to table.html, run this in Chrome. You can see that there is a border being created, but this border has to be collapsed first. Okay, so that we get the proper table kind of a look. Okay, so for that what we need to do is we need to go back, and then we need to do a border collapse. Okay, which is collapse. Okay, and give the equator to collapse. Okay, then save this, come back to table.html, run again. You can see better table being presented when you collapse the border. This is with border. Okay, and you collapse the border, you get a better look for the table. Okay, now go back to our program, and I'll enter one more row here. I'll copy this, and here I'm going to change the data. This would be my second row. Okay, basically third row. For first row I give it as the column name. Okay, column heading. So here I'll write is Argentina and the game of football. Okay, I'll save this. Okay, I'll run it in Chrome again. Okay, I just forgot to enter some, sorry here. Okay, sorry for the typo. Save this and run it again in Chrome. Okay, as you can see, one more row got added of Messi and football. Okay, so these are the two rows which I have defined using the tag TD, and this is the column heading using the tag TH. Okay, that is the only difference between these two rows, these three rows. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a for the column heading, I'm going to give some kind of a background color. Okay, I'll give it as RGBA. I'll try to give some kind of a green color, 0.2. Okay, might be. I'll run this again. Okay, now you can see this green kind of background for the column heading. Okay, I've achieved this through a CSS. Okay, for TH I just changed the background color. Okay, and let me do give a background color for the data as well. I'll give the background color as I'll copy this here and I'll give some kind of reddish background. I'll save this, launch in Chrome again. As you can see, you get a pink color for this background of the column data. Okay, now I'll do one more thing before ending this tutorial. I'll give a hover animation. When you hover over this data, I want some kind of a different background to be presented. Okay, so for that I'll just give try to give light blue as the background when you hover over the data of the column. Okay, save this, run it again in Chrome. Okay, as you can see here, when you hover over this individual data fields, you find the color to be changed to light blue. Okay, which I have achieved through CSS. Okay, so that's it, guys. Creating a basic table using HTML and CSS. I've created this table, and thanks for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.